श्रीः ॐ स्वस्ति श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ मित्र रवि सूर्य भानु खग पूष हिरण्यगर्भ मरीच्यादित्य सवित्री अर्क भास्करेभ्यो नमः। ॐ भगवते हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। शिवाभ्यां नमः। श्रीमदप्पय्य दीक्षितेन्द्र विरचितम् आदित्य स्तोत्र रत्नम् फस्ट श्लोक। विस्तारायाममानं दशभिरुपगतो योजनानां सहस्रैः चक्रे पञ्चारनाभित्रितयवति लसन्नेमि षट्के निविष्टः सप्तश्छन्दस्तुरङ्गाहितवहनधुरोहायनांशस्त्रिवर्गः व्यक्ताकृप्ताखिलाङ्गः स्फुरतु मम पुरः स्यन्दनः चण्डभानोः। योजनानां दशभिः सहस्रैः, tens of thousands of yojanas, vistaraya mamanam, of vistara, of the length and breadth, vistaraya mamanam. Upagataha pancharananabhitritayavati, 5 aras, 5 akulu, 3 nabhis. There are 3 nabhis are the centers. Pancharanaabhi tritayavati lasan nemi shatke, of 6 names, 3 nabhis, 6 names. So 3 gunas, 6 rutus, nemi shatke. चक्रे निविष्टः सप्तश्चन्दतुरङ्गाहितवहुधनः, 7 chandas, 7 different chandas are the horses which are pulling this ratha of time basically. Hayanamsha trivarga dyakta, of amsa, ayanamsas, some ayanas, Uttarayana and Dakshinayana. Trivargaha, Masa, Paksha, all these differentiations, distinctions, day and night. Dharmardhakama Trivarga, Abhivyakta, Klapta Akhilangaha, of that which is made of these particular things. Chandabhanoho Syandanaha, of Surya's Radha, Syandanaha. Mama Pura Spuratu, let it be visible, let it be seen in front of me. This is the meaning of the first sloka of Adityairapsarobhir munibhirahivarir gramaniyatu dhanaihi gandharvairvalakhilya parivrutadasamamsasya krutsnam rathasya madhyam yapyadhitishtan manirivana mandalaschandarasmehe ब्रह्मा ज्योतिर्विवर्तः श्रुतिनिकरणी भावरूपः समिन्धे। आदित्यैः, of 12 adityas, apstaroभिः, apsaras, muniभिः, sages, ahivaraiः, the great ahis, ahivaras are the serpent kings, gandharvaiः, Gramaniyatu dhanaihi, of the Gramanayakas, local leaders as well. Gandharvaihi, the great Gandharvas who are experts in all fine arts. Valakhilyahi, Valakhilyas are the small beings who always speak truth and good about the things. Valakhilyahi parivruta dasamamsasya, of they are around this ratha of 10th part, Rathasya Kratsnam Madhyam, in the middle of it, Vyaptya, having established, having expressed in between. So basically, Vyapya Adhithishtan Nabhasaha, of the middle of the sky. Nabhasaha Maniriva. So he is looking like a jewel, Maniriva, Brahma Jyotirvivartaha, of the Brahma Teja Vivarta. So it is a expression of Brahma's Teja. Shruti Nikara Ghanibhava Rupaha, of all the Shrutis, all the Vedas, Nikara Ghanibhava Rupaha, one solidified knowledge of all the Shrutis, Ghanibhava Rupaha, Chandarasmeha, having very bright, very unbearable light. Mandalaha, Surya Mandalam Samindhe, Jajwalyamana, it is brightly appearing to me. So we have seen the Radha and then Mandala of Surya in the second sloka. Now go to third sloka. Nirgachantor kabimban nikhilajnija bhrutam ardranadi pravishtaha nadyo vasyadi brundaraka ganamadhu nastasya nanadhigutthaha varshastoyamushnam tuhinamapi jalanyaapi bantah samantat Pitradinam swadhaushadhyam mrutarasakruto bhanti kanti praroha. Arkabimbat, from the Arkabimba, from the sun's bimba or the center. Nirgachantaha, what is being emitted? Nija nikhila janibhrutam. Of all these people, the life force which is holding Nikhila Janibhrutam Hardra Nadi Pravishtaha, Hardra Hridaya Nadi Pravishtaha, which is there in the hearts of everyone. Vasyadi Brandaraka Gana Mathunaha, Vasu and all, Vasu Rudra Aditya, Gana Branda Mathu, the essence of Vasyadi Gana Brunda Tasya Nanadhigutta, of that Surya, Nanadhigutta on all Dig Utta, Nana Dig Utta, Nanadhiguttaha, Nadyaha, Nadis. Those are from the heart, all the Nadis are going around inside. Nadyaha, Ushnam Toyam Tuhinamapi, Ushnam, the heat, Toyam Tuhinam, the coldness, Chandra Surya Nadis. Tuhinamapi Varshantaha, they are showering down. Samantat Jalani Apibantaha. Pitradinam, Pitrudevas, who have Swadhau Shatyamrutarasakaraha, Swadhakara, Oshadhi, Amrutas. Kranti prarohaha bhantihi. The life force which is emitted from the sun is utilized in this sloka, third sloka. Sresthastesham sahasre tridiva vasudhayoh panchadivyapti bhajam shubhram shum tarakaugham sesinatanaya mukhan panchachodbhasayantaha. Arogo bhraja mukhyas-tribhuvanadahane sapta surya bhavantaha sarvan vyadhin sushumna prabhrutayaiha me suryapadaha kshipantu. Tridiva vasudhayoho, in all the three lokas, panchadivyapti bhajam, in all the directions of 5 directions. So all the 4 and the 5th direction, everything else. Tesham sahasre, thousands of those sreshtaha, best of the subhramsum, of the moon, tarakaugham, of the stars, sesitanaya mukhan, from the Mercury and all others, panchacha, other 5 grahas, udbhasayantaha, which is making it bright. So here it clearly says all the grahas are only bright because sun's light, they are reflecting the sun's light. Udbhasayantaha tribhuvanadahane, which are capable of burning all the 3 worlds. Arogo bhraja mukhyaha, aroga bhraja sapta. There are 7 suryaha, 7 suryas, bhavantaha, sushumna prabhrutayaha, of the Sushumna, Suryapadaha, Sarvan Vyadhin Kshipantu. So there is a request that such sunlight remove all the kind of Vyadhis from the devotee. ఆదిత్యానాశ్రితా షణ్ణవతి గుణసహస్రాన్వితా రస్మయోన్యే మాసే మాసే విభక్తాస్త్రిభువన భవనం పావయంతః స్ఫురంతి యేషాం భువ్య ప్రచారే జగదవనకృతాం సప్తరశ్మ్యుత్థితానాం సంసర్పే చాధిమాసే వ్రతయజనముఖాః సత్క్రియా న క్రియంతే. మాసే మాసే విభక్తాః, డివైడెడ్ ఇంటూ ద 12 months. Adityan and holding one leader in each Aditya. Asritaha Shannavati Sahasranvita 96,000 Anye Rasmayaha of the Kiranas. Tribhuvana Bhavanam of this Bhavanam of this building of 3 worlds. Pavayantaha, they are purifying the whole of this. Sphuranti Jagadavana Krutam, so which is protecting this world at the same time. Tasmar Sapta Rasmyutthitanam, 7 Rasmis, 7 different colors or shades. Rasmis, 7 different shades of this life force. Yenam Bhuvi Aprachare. If it is not there in this world, Samsarpe Adhimasecha Vrata Yajana Mukhaha Satkriya na Kriyante. When this light is not there, these Satkriyas are not performed. So only Satkriyas are performed during bright of daytime. Aditya Mandalantaspuradaruna Vapustejasa Vyapta Vishwam Pratar Madhyahna Sayam Samaya Vibhaja Adrugyajus Samasevyam Prapyam Cha Prapakan Cha Pradhitamati Pathijnananamuttamarasmin Sakshat Brahmetyupasam Sakala Bhayaharabhyudgamam Samsrayami. Mandalantaspuradaruna Vapustejasa, which is seen in the center of the Mandala. Vapus Tejasa, the stages of the Vapuhu, Vyapta Vishwam, which is occupying all the Vishwam, all the world, Madhyana, Pratar Madhyana Sahim Samaya Vibhajanat, which is differentiating the morning, afternoon, and evening as well. Rugyajus Samasevyam, by the Rik, Yajas, and Samaha, with those things in the Atipadhi Vijnanam. For the people who are knowledgeable in all these things, Uttarasmin Prapyancha Prapakancha, who is the final destination for those people who are Prapakancha. Then he is the person who is Pradhitam, who is making them go on this path as well. Pradhitam Sakshat Brahmeti, people who are devoted to him as Sakshat Brahma, Sakala Bhayaharabhyudgamam, all the bhayas are removed. Udgamam Adityam Samsrayami, I am taking refuge in such Aditya. Yat Chakyadishtitanam Tapana Hima Jalotsajanadit Jagatya Madityanamashesha Prabhavati Niyata Swaswamasadhikaraha Yat Pradhanyam Yanakti Swayamapi Bhagavan Dvadasasteshu Bhutva Tam Trilokyasya Moolam Pranamata Paramam Daivatam Saptasaptim. Yetchaksha, by which energy, Adhishtanam, having the center of it, the original power, Adityanam, the 12 Adityas, Aseshaha Tapana Himajalotsajanagi, heating up by raining all these different cycles of water cycle and all, running all these different cycles, Swaswamasadhikara, in each of these months, in each of these Rutus. Varsha Rutu gives water, in the Himavanta we will see the cold weather, in the Grishma we see the hot weather, all these things. Niyataha, as per these rules, it goes around. Jagatyam Prabhavati, this world is being continued, run. Bhagavanapi Swayam, he is Bhagavan, even Mahavishnu Swayam, Teshu, in this Adityas, Bhuktva, he will become one of these Adityas, Yat Pradhanyam Yanakti. So he is making sure that Adityas Pradhanya is being given, Yanakti, he is making it strong, saying that he is one of the Adityas. Trilokyasya Moolam, of all the 3 lokas, the center, Moolam, Parandaivatam, Saptasaptim, the god Surya is Parandaivatam, Pranamata, I am bowing down, Namaskaraha. स्वस्त्रीयक्ष गन्धर्वयक्षा मुनिवरभुजगा यातु धानाश्च नित्यं नृत्यैर्गीतैरभिषुग्रह नुगति ग्रहनुति वहनैरवग्रतः सेवया च यस्य प्रीतिं वितन्यस्तमितपरिकरा द्वादशेते हृद्याभिर्वालखिल्या सरणिभणितिभिस्त्वं भजे लोकबन्धुम् स्वस्त्री यक्षर्वगन्धा अप्सरस्त्रीस् गन्धर्वास् यक्षास् मुनिवर भुजगास् मुनीस् भुजगास् यातुधान्यास् the Rakshasas as well nityam rottai geetaihi abhishugraha nuti vahanai all the agrataha in front of this ratha sevaya yete dvadasaha 12s amita parikaraha with different instruments yasya pritim vitanvanti as per their own attitudes they do these pujas hrudyabhihi sarani bhanitibhihi on their own ways of devotion bhaje. So such lokabandhum, so he is a lokabandhu, he is a bandhu or the friend of this loka, and this bhaje I am also doing this bhajana, or I am also singing loud about his greatness. Brahmanyesya janmodita mushasi parabrahma mukhyatmajasya dhyayam rupam sirodyoscharana padajusha vyahuritinam trayena tatsatyam brahma pasyamyaharaha bimabhitham nityam aditya rupam bhutanam bhunabhasva prabhutishu vasatam prana sukshmamsamekam. So the prana sukshmamsam ekam, there is in the life force, the very subtle part of that life force, that is one across the three worlds, which is it is patala, under the earth, on the earth, or above the earth, in the Parabrahma Mukhyatmajasya of Parabrahma Mukhya Putra of this Yasya Adityas Ushasi. In that only the prana sukshmamsam is coming. Nityam Pasyami, I am seeing, I am also seeing that, I am experiencing that prana sukshmamsam ekam. Aditye lokachakshu vyavahita manasam yoginam drusyamantaha swachar swarnabhamurtim vedalita nalinodara drusyakshayugmam ruksamodganageshtam niratisaya lasalloka kamesha bhavam sarvavadyodita samuditam brahma simbhum prapadye. I bow down in the Aditya Lokachakshushi, who is the witness of the whole world. Avahita manasam, one who has controlled his manas. Yoginam, antaha, in the hearts. Drusyam, those yogis who have controlled their minds, they are able to see this Swachha Swarnabhamurtim, who are seeing him as the Swachha, pure Swarnabhamurtim of golden hue, Swarnabhamurtim. Ruksamad Gvanageshtam, all Riks, Samas and Yajas, everything with those Ganas, Geshtas. Niratisaya Salloka Kamesha Bhavam Sarvavadyodi Vatatvat Udita Samuditam, which is rising, I am seeing. Sambhum, such Siva. Now Appaya Dikshita brings the Siva Tattva into the Aditya Mandalam. Omityud Gidha Bhakte Ravayava Padavim Praptat Vatyaksharesmin Yasyopasthis Samastam Duritam Apanayas Kyakabimbe Stitasya Yat Pujaika Pradhana Anyamakhila Anya Yat Pujaika Pradhana Anyaghama Akilamapi Gnanti Kruchavratani Dhyata Sarvopatapan Haratu Parasiva Soyamadyo Bhishanyaha. The first doctor who is Simbhu, who can remove this Arkabimbe Sthitasva, who is sitting within this Arkabimba. Duritam, all Duritas pavanayati, who can remove by the Krachhavratas, whose puja, Adhyabhishak, the first Vaidya, the first doctor, Adhyabhishak, Ayam Paramaseva, this Paramasiva, Dhyataha, he is worthy of dhyana. Naha Sarvopatapan Haratu, he let him remove all the upatapas. Aditye Mandalarchi Purusha Vibhadaya Dyantamadhyagamastaha Nya Gopalanganaabhyo Nayanapadhajusha Jyotisha Deepyamanam Gayatri Mantra Sevyam Nikhila Janadhiyam Prerakam Vishwarupam Nilagrivam Trinetram Siva Manisam Uma Vallabham Samsrayami. One Mandaladitya Purusha Vibhadaya Adyantamadhyagamatmanihi Aditye Agopalanganabhyaha, from everybody, from Gopala, everybody is able to see Nayana Padhajusha, Jyotisha Deepyamanam, Nikhila Janadhiyam, all the these, who is Prerakam, Gayatri Mantra Sevyam, people who are doing the Gayatri Mantra, Vishwarupam, Nilagrivam, Trinetram, Umavallabham Sivam, Anisham Samsrayami, such thing I am Samsrayami, again taking refuge in such Siva, in the Arkabimba. Abhrakalpasyatanga sthirapanitimayam mandalam rashmibedhaha sahasrasteshu saptasrutibhi rabhihita kinchidunascha lakshaha ekaikesham chatasrastadama Dinamaneraadidevasya trisraha klapta tattat prabhava prakatanamahita sragdhara dvadasaitaha. So he is saying Abhrakalpaha, Meghantosma of the Megha, Syatangaha, the Ratham, first sloka, Sthirapanimiyatam, the Mandalam on the second sloka, Sahasraha Rasmi Bhedaha, the Kirana Bhedas in the third sloka, Srutibhihi Abhihita Saptarashva, fourth sloka, Ekaikesham, Kinchiduna Lakshaha, 96,000 Kiranas in the fifth sloka, Tadanu, Dinamane of the Surya Stuti Chatarsraha, 6, 7, 8, 9 slokas, Adidevasya of Shiva Trisraha, 10, 11 and 12 sloka, Yetaha, these 12 slokas, Tattat Prabhava Prakatana Mahita, they give their Prabhava Prakatana, they can on their own give this sound which has been put into these slokas, has the ability to show the Radhadi to Dvadasaha Sragdharaha, this is Sragdhara Vrutta, using the Sragdhara Vrutta Chandas Klaptaha, which are condensed the meaning of all the mantras put together into these 12. What is the use of doing this? Duswapnam, Durnimittam, Duritamakhilamappyayanapyat Sathyan, Doshan, Dusthana Samsthagrahana Jaritan, Dushtabhutan, Grahadin Nirdhunopi Sthirancha Striyamiha Labhate Mukti Bhumabhyeti Chante Sankirtya Stotra Ratnam Sakrudapi Manujaha Pretyaham Pratyurahnam. So every day one who takes these 12 slokas and does this, Duswapnam, Duswapnas, Durnimittam, whatever is opposing the person who is doing this, everything will be removed. Akhilam, Duritam, Asadhyan, Amayanapi, Dustana Samstagraha Gana Jenitan, Doshan, Dushtabhutan, Grahadi, Nirdhunoti, Iha Sthiram Shriyam Labhate, Ante Muktincha Labhyeti. Having established all these things, in the end, Mukti also will be given. Srimad Appaya Dikshitendra Virachitaha, Srimad Aditya Ratna Stotra Ratnam Samaptam. Swasti.